happy new week and welcome back to my channel for another CVS Deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and thank you all for joining me once again. If you did not shop last week, some of the coupons are still valid. You can use them this week. Check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video in case you want to print them out or screenshot them to use while you're at the store. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. Still have this glass cooktop cleaner and polish, originally priced at $5.99, but it's on clearance for $1.49. You can pick it up if you need it. The next deal I have is on the Kids Sensodyne toothpaste. They are on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two priced at $4.79. With the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $2.87. And the two will total $7.36. Pay the $7.36 and you get 4 back, making them $3.36 or $1.68 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 3 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up a CoverGirl mascara price at $10.99. Use the $3 CoverGirl Eye Digital coupon and you pay $7.99, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. That will end up making it just $2.99. This deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, but if you don't like the mascara, you can pick up a CoverGirl press powder price $10.49. Use a $3 off CoverGirl Face Digital coupon and you pay $7.49, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it $2.49. The next cosmetics deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on Revlon Cosmetics. Pick up 2 Revlon Kiss Balms priced at $7.29 each. Both will total $14.58. Use the 6 off 2 Revlon Extra Care coupon and you pay $8.58, get 5 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on Neutrogena Acne Care. Pick up the 24 count Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Patch priced at $11.29. Use the $3.50 off digital coupon and you pay $7.79, get 5 back, making it $2.79. The next facial care deal I have is buy any Clarisol product, you get $3 back. Pick up the Rapid Rescue Deep Treatment Wash priced at $8.29. Pay the $8.29 and you get 3 back, making it $5.29. Bactin Pain Cleanser is part of buy one get $5 back and is priced at $8.99. Pick up one, pay $8.99 and you get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.87 back and it will make it just $1.12. The next deal I have is on the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion. They are part of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 3 and they are priced at $6.99 each. The 3 will total $20.97. We have a $3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $17.97 and you get 10 back, making them $7.97 or $2.66 each. If you like the Jergens Natural Glow, they are on the deal of buy one get 3 back. Pick up one price at $13.49. Pay the $13.49 and you get 3 back, making it $10.49. My next deal is on Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. They are on sale for 20% off and they are part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2. They originally priced at $5.49, but with the 20% off, the new price is $4.40. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.80. Pay the $8.80 and you get 3 back, making them $5.80 or $2.90 each. The hand soap is part of this deal, but they are not on sale for 20% off its regular price. You can pick up 2. They are priced at $6.89 and the 2 will total $13.78. Pay the $13.78 and you get 3 back, making them $10.78 or $5.39 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any CVS brand bandages, antibiotic ointments or creams. I have 3 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 of the bandages priced at $4.79 each. The 2 will total $9.58. Pay the $9.58 and you get 5 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. The second option is to pick up 2 CVS brand zinc oxide priced at $4.49 each. For a total of $8.98, pay the $8.98 and you get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The third option I have is to pick up 2 CVS brand butterfly closure priced at $3.59 each. For a total of $7.18, Pay the $7.18 and you get 5 back, making them $2.18 or $1.09 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on all poise pads or liners. Pick up 2 28-count poise pad priced at $7.99 each. Both will total $15.98. We have a $2.50 off Poise digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.48 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pack. That means you get $2 from Ibotta, making them $5.48 or $2.74 each. If you like the ivory body wash, the 35-ounce ivory body wash is on sale for $6.99. It's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up one and pay $6.99. Axe body wash is on sale for buy one get one 50% off and it's part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 each. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.15 and the 2 will total $9.44. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you will pay $4.44, get 3 back, making them $1.44 or 72 cents each. Soft Soap Body Wash is on sale for 2 for $10 and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, pay $10 and get 3 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is spend 10 get 3 back on CVS brand feminine care. Pick up 2 pads priced at $5.29 each. The 2 will total $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 3 back, making them $7.58 or $3.79 each. I found more clearance items and the first one is the Red Vine Jumbo Twist Original Red, originally priced at $3.49 but it's on clearance for 87 cents, and the Red Vine 14-ounce pack, originally priced at $4.19 but it's on clearance for $1.04. And the last one is the Twizzlers, originally priced at $4.39 but it's on clearance for $1.09. The next deal I have is on Garnier Fructis Leave-In Conditioner. It's on sale for 2 for $9, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 and use the 2 off 2 Fructis extra care coupon and a 4 off 2 digital coupon. And you will pay $3, making each leave-in conditioner just $1.50. The next deal I have is on the Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioner. They are on sale for 2 for $9 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 2 back, making them $4 or $2 each. Garnier Nutrice Hair Color is on sale for 2 for $18 and is part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2, use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $13, get 4 back, making them $9 or $4.50 each. The next deal I have is on the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit. It's on sale for $11.99 and it's part of spend 12 get 3 back. Pick up 1 and the $11.99 is within the 98% rule for spend 12. Use the $5 digital coupon and you pay $6.99, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back and that will make it just $1.99. Another option for this deal is to pick up 2 Airwick refills. They are on sale for 2 for $12. Pay $12 and you get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means you get $3 back from Ibotta, making them just $6 or $3 each. My next deal is spend 30 get $10 back. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $14.99, 1 Dawn dish liquid on sale for $5.99, and 6 double roll Viva paper towels on sale for $12.99. These 3 items will total $33.97. Use a $3 off Tide digital coupon and a $1 off Dawn digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $29.97, get 10 back, making them $19.97 or $6.66 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.